Hello friends, today I will show you one short job. The problem is my wife's car. She today on the morning go to the job and this main display doesn't work. First what I do, I take off these plastics. There's the two screws. We open this and I need check the part number, because there is the two or three variants for these displays. Okay, start the work and I show you step by step how to do this. Okay, the next, there is two screws. I tell you which the size. It's not too big. T15. And just open it. Be careful. Take these screws to the hand. Yeah, this screwdriver, I need another screwdriver. It's okay. And that's it. And display going out. There is just one connector. Open this. And yeah, two connectors, sorry. Just push these clips and that's it. And here we go. And the next video I show you how to the set back, because this is the old one. I just need this BMW part number. I check this display in the used part shop and buy the used, because new one cost very expensive, 700 or 800 euro. Okay, thank you for watching and waiting to the next video.